Hello everyone, mabuhay! I hope you are doing good today. This is Teacher Angeline and we're going to tackle about arithmetic series. So let's define first what is an arithmetic series. So an arithmetic series is the sum of the terms in an arithmetic sequence with a definite number of terms. So right now, we have two formulas that we need to use in this video. We have here S sub n equals n times a sub 1 plus a sub n over 2. S sub n, it stands for the sum of a given arithmetic series or sum of the terms in a given arithmetic sequence. And n, it stands for the number of the terms in a given arithmetic series. A sub 1, it stands for the first term in a given arithmetic series. And a sub n, it stands for the last term in a given arithmetic series. The second formula that we have to use or that we need to use in this video is that S sub n equals n over 2 times 2 a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. So what is the difference between these two formula, Teacher Angeline? So the difference between these two formula is that we will use this formula S sub n equals n times a sub 1 plus a sub n over 2 if it's already given in the arithmetic sequence the first term and the last term. Whereas we will going to use this formula S sub n equals n over 2 times 2 a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference if the given has the number or the total terms of arithmetic sequence and the common difference. So let's solve a problem. We have here find the sum of the first 20 terms of arithmetic series.
In this given, guys, we are finding the first 20 terms of that given arithmetic series. If a sub 1 is equals to 5 and a sub 20 is equals to 62. So, among these two formula, it's better to choose this formula S sub n is equals to n times a plus a sub 1 plus a sub n over 2. So, let's write this formula in this paper, guys. So, we have S sub n is equals to n times a sub 1 plus a sub n over 2. So, let's substitute this given. Our S sub n will become 20 since we are finding the first 20 terms of this arithmetic series. S sub 20 is equals to our n will be 20. So, let's write 20 here. And then, times a sub 1 which is 5 plus our a sub n which is 62. Then, copy 2. So, copy S sub 20 equals 20. 5 plus 62, it will become 67 over, so over 2. So let's multiply 20 times 67. 67 times 20. 7 times 0 is equals to 0. 6 times 0 is 0. 7 times 2, 14. Then 6 times 2, 12. Plus 1 is 13. So bring down 0, 4, 3, and 1. So 20 times 67 is 1,340. Copy 1,340. Then let's divide it to 2. Our first 20 terms of this arithmetic series, if a sub 1 is equals to 5 and a sub 20 is 62, is 670. So this is the final answer of this arithmetic series.
So guys, let's proceed to the second problem. And the second problem, we have find the sum of the first 40 terms in the arithmetic series two, 5, 8, 11, and so on. So, in this given guys, we need to find the first 40 terms. What we have here is only the a sub 1 or the first term, which is 2. So let's write 2 here. Our a sub 1 is equals to 2. And then, among the different 2 formulas we had earlier, the appropriate formula that we need to use in this given is this. S sub n is equals to n over 2 times 2 a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. So, let's find first the variables that we need in order to solve this problem. Or we have n is equals to 40, and then the common difference. So, in finding the common difference, guys, it is an easy steps in the arithmetic sequence. We just have to subtract this series here. We have 5 minus 2 is equals to 3, 8 minus 5 is equals to 3, and then 11 minus 8 is equals to 3. Therefore, we can conclude that the common difference of this series is 3. So, let's copy the formula. Let's rewrite that formula in this paper. We have S sub n equals to n over 2 times 2 a sub 1 plus n
the variables that we need in order to solve this formula. So let's substitute this first. Our S sub n, since we are finding the first 40 terms, so our S sub n is 40. Equals n, which is 40, divide 2. Then, 2, what is our a sub 1? Our a sub 1 is 2, so times 2, plus 40 minus 1 times 3. So, a sub 40 is equals to 40 divided by 2, this is 20, and then 2 times 2 is 4, plus 40 minus 1 is 39, times 3. Okay, S sub 4 is equals to 20 times 4 plus 39 times 3. So, let's substitute first 39 times 3. 39 times 3 is equals to 117. So, let's write S sub 40 is equals to 20 times 4 plus 117. 4 plus 117, it will become 121. So, let's write S sub 40 is equals to 20 times 121. So, 20 times 121, we can get 2,420. So, this is our final answer.
So that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. This has been Teacher Angeline saying, mathematics is the most beautiful and most powerful creation of the human spirit. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.